Say hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Hey, so we are unboxing this awesome dome here that we got. It is brand Jugader, even though I would pronounce it Jugader. I wish I could show you the top of it. Anyway, so we took out all these poles, but it is one of those cool climbing poles, domes, I mean, that you get. So we've been here just assembling it, following the directions. So far, so good. It's real easy. So we're excited to put it together so Aaron can play on it.
Yes, so I can play on it.
All right, so far we've had this much complete. It comes with the tools and everything you need to assemble it. You don't need any extra tools, but I think you would need at least 2 people to assemble this. All right, so we got the base all done thanks to mostly April. And we are going to go up one more level of the dome. So excited! Almost there. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry. It looks like I lost some of the footage of the build. I'm gonna go over the build just in steps real quick. All right, so here's the dome. Now all these bars are different lengths. Well, the yellow is a different length than the blue. So what you do is you line them all up together. See, there's 5, and you put them in this order. And you put the screw in there. Right? And you screw it in. Even though this screw, we put it in wrong, it's supposed to be facing the other way. So we made that error. Just a user error. And then once you assemble the second level, you assemble the third level here, and it's the same process. You know, you just kind of have to keep track of the pattern of the build, and you definitely need more than one person to assemble this, and preferably, you know, a strong person, because it's a little challenging, I'm not gonna lie. And then you get to the final level and you assemble it. Now this dome can hold up to 800 pounds. And Aaron just loves it. This thing is so solid. I mean, I can move it a little bit, but it's super solid. And then right here on this lawn, you know, it's not level, and it's still functional just fine, no problems. So I apologize for losing. I don't know what happened to the build footage. I don't know what happened to it. I really apologize. But this was a fun build. You know, we made a day out of it. It does take several hours, but once it's done, I mean, it's rock solid. We just need to flip these around and then put on the little grips to help climb. But the company did a good job. And here is our dome. Check it out. We decided to put the swing in there because Aaron wanted the swing. We didn't put the shade or the hammock because of the swing, but it does have a shade you can put on for fun. Check out these balloons we added. We wanted to make like a grand opening for it.
Look at the butterfly.
You can see we have a butterfly.
Yeah, a rainbow butterfly.
A rainbow butterfly, and then we have, which one's this one, Aaron?
That's Uranus.
And then over here,
That's
Saturn. And we have our chain balloons there hooked together. They look so cool. And then we have a little rose balloon
Where is it?
right there.
I can't see it at all.
So we're having a lot of fun with our dome here. Do you want to try to climb it?
Yeah, we'll try.
Oh, you just climb it, bro. Just put your foot on the...
Look how cool it looks. Oh. Whoa!
Yeah, that was a good one.
You gotta put your foot up there and then pull yourself up. There you go. Pull up, pull up. There you go. No, put up. There you go.
Whoa.
There you
Wow.
You want to get on the very top?
Give me one more up.
Hey!
Hi.
Look at how cool the balloons look.
Yeah, Dad, get in. So you can pull me up. More.
Oh, this is so relaxing here.
Do it, Dad.
And here's the swing.
Get in.
Hello.
Should we try putting the hammock so he can try it out? All right, so we set up the hammock for Aaron.
And for my dog.
For the balloon dog.
There you go. There you go. Slide back.
Whoa! How is it? Relaxing?
Yeah. I can sleep here. Whee! Look at that urinate. Where my urinate?
You're gonna clean up.
Can I pop this one?
Yeah.
Go.
Come on, faster. All right. We made it into one big worm.
Yeah, but if I do this, it will go.
Don't let it go. It's gonna pop on the grass.
Mom, out of here! You can get out of here if you want.
Aaron!
Oh! Let's get it.
I can't. I'm moving too slow. Oh no.
Here, I'll pop those.
They're not even flying away.
Maybe they'll come back down.
Probably. Let's go to the front and see what this. It's like a big worm in the sky.
Oh no.
Oh, it's falling.
You know, it only has a few of them have helium. Not all of them. Look at N.
We should make another one. I must again.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. We were gonna play with it, but it got lost.
Look at my Uranus. Look at Uranus.
So we hope you guys like this awesome dome. Please see the link in the description so you can get a dome just like this. It's super awesome on Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.
Bye.